Hi friends, welcome to DG Champions. This is the first video of my digital marketing course. In this tutorial, I will give you an digital marketing overview. So first of all, we will see what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is a marketing technique that involves usage of digital mediums such as electronic device or internet for creating awareness, consideration, purchase and loyalty for a brand, product or service. It is also known as online marketing or internet marketing, as internet is the major medium supporting these marketing activities. Why there is a need of digital marketing? As we all know, more and more people are getting connected to the digital mediums. Digital devices like smartphone, tablet, laptop are the essential part of our life. We use these devices or for our daily activities like for shopping, for entertainment. We spend a lot of time on the digital medium. By this, consciously or unconsciously, we are creating a lot of data about us. This data can be linked to our email ID and phone number, telling the brands about our personal preferences. Using digital marketing, companies are trying to target people based on their interest and preferred mediums. Now we will see what is the difference between the digital marketing and traditional marketing. Traditional marketing, it involves the presence of on print ads, outdoor ads, newspaper ads, TV, radio, etc. But in digital marketing, it involves the presence on website, email, social media, search engines. In traditional marketing, it lacks specific targeting or prospects. But in digital marketing, it can specific target people based on their age, interest, behavior, etc. Static people cannot be interacted. It's a one way message in traditional marketing, but digital marketing is dynamic. People can interact, modify, respond and share it. The traditional marketing is costlier. You pay to reach out to people who might not be an prospect at all. Like you see a banner ad or hoarding on the street or on a highway. So as it is not targeted, a 4-year kid can see that as well as a 60-year-old people can see that. So that's why there is no specific targeting and it is a costlier. But digital marketing is cost effective. You only pay when an audience actually views or interact. Direct results are not measurable in traditional marketing, but in digital marketing, results are easily measurable as clicks, impression, conversions, visits, and sales. There are many tools like Google Analytics, or they are interface available in Google Ads as well as a Facebook. So by which we can easily measure the results, as I told, on the basis of KPIs like click, impression, conversions, etc. So, why digital marketing is preferred today? There are many reasons for that, but I am telling you some main pointers. Like today, market is flooded with product, and still people seek for more. From mobile plans, birthday cakes to travel plan, everything is customized. We use digital devices to find personalized solution. This led to a great reduction in the consumption of mass product. There is nothing like an ideal product or service in the market today. Each product and service has its own specific market and audience. Hence, brands are looking for personalized marketing solution rather than the mass marketing. So, in short, we can say that digital marketing is not essential; it is mandatory for today for survival of any brand. So this is the first video of my digital marketing tutorial. In the next video I will cover different digital marketing channels. So thanks for your time and stay tuned for my further videos. Thank you.